Nobody thinks filing for bankruptcy is a great idea. Even quality bankruptcy attorneys will tell you it's a last resort. The fear, the shame, the guilt, it turns your world upside down. If you're considering bankruptcy right now, here are a few things you should know. First, you are not a bad person for being in this position. Second, bankruptcy is not an easy out, so avoid it if you can. And finally, you will get through this. Seriously. Welcome back to another episode of Living Fire. If you never want to miss an upload, make sure to subscribe to the channel. What does filing for bankruptcy mean? If you're thinking about bankruptcy, you need to know what it actually is. When you file for bankruptcy, you're basically going before a judge and telling them you can't pay your debts. Then, depending on your situation, your debts are either canceled or you make a plan to pay them back. Now, once you file, creditors have to stop collecting money from you, at least temporarily. Most creditors can't write, call, or sue you. Bankruptcy can also stop foreclosure on your home, repossession of property, or garnishment of your wages. But here's the thing, declaring bankruptcy won't erase all of your debt. Unsecured debts like student loans, child support, and IRS debts don't qualify for bankruptcy. And although it'll stop showing up on your credit report within 7 to 10 years, bankruptcy packs an emotional punch that can stick with you a lot longer. If you're thinking about bankruptcy, maybe you've lost hope, maybe you can't see another way out, but don't give up, you've got options. 6 steps to avoid bankruptcy. Number 1, take care of the 4 walls first. When you're trying to crawl out of debt and avoid bankruptcy at all costs, the first thing to do is make sure you're taking care of what we call the 4 walls: food, utilities, shelter, and transportation. If you're at rock bottom, don't pay anyone else until these basics are covered. Keep the family fed, the lights on, the rent or mortgage paid, and the gas tank full enough to get you to work. Number 2, sell everything in sight. You have money hanging around in the form of DVDs, TVs, boats, clothes, books, furniture, tools, office supplies, craft supplies, toys, and more. Get rid of everything you don't need. That sounds drastic, but so is filing for bankruptcy. Take the money you make and put it toward getting bills up to date. Those late fees only make things worse. Number 3, live on a bare bones budget. You're trying to avoid bankruptcy here. That means your budget has no room for frills. No streaming services, no cable, no huge cell phone plans, no dining out, and no vacations until you're out of debt. Buy generic food, eat beans and rice, and drink water from the tap. Drink coffee you brewed yourself, and stick to your budget. Drastic times call for drastic measures. Number 4, get a second job. These days, it's not uncommon to hear of someone working a second or a third job. Having an extra source of income can help you avoid bankruptcy. Just be sure you're putting the extra income toward paying off your debts. Getting a second job will mean sacrificing time with family and friends, and we know that it's hard. But remember, this situation is temporary. Say it again, this situation is temporary. You won't have to live like this forever. Number 5, watch out for debt settlement or debt consolidation promises. With debt settlement, a debt relief company will promise to negotiate with your creditors to reduce the amount of debt you owe. Well, it sounds great, right? After all, a little something beats nothing. You pay off your reduced debts and move on, but not so fast. The reality is, these debt settlement companies charge high fees for their services, and they don't always deliver after you've paid them up front. Even worse, you'll get stuck with more fees, additional interest payments, and a whole lot of regret. Remember, you're in a vulnerable position, and there are people out there who will gladly take advantage of that. So don't fall prey to slick operators who are eager to promise you a quick fix. With debt consolidation, the promise is that you'll be able to pay off your debts by combining them into one lower monthly payment at one lower interest rate. And that may seem like a good option, but a lower monthly payment actually means you'll be in debt longer. Plus, a lot of companies will lure you in with a low interest rate and then raise it over time, leaving you with even more debt. Forget that. We don't recommend debt consolidation, but if you go that route, proceed with caution. Avoid anything that sounds too good to be true. Number 6, talk to a financial coach. Sometimes it's best to sit down and talk with a financial coach when you need guidance with money issues. Don't let that intimidate you. Yes, talking about money is hard, but you're in the middle of hard and you need help. It's perfectly okay to admit, and it's responsible to seek it out. When looking for a financial coach, just make sure you find someone who has the heart of a teacher, a person who will walk with you and guide you along the way, not someone looking to take advantage of your situation. Bankruptcy is not your only way out. Avoid bankruptcy and get your finances in order by contacting a financial coach in your area. Together, you'll walk out of this financial wreck and into financial security once again. And with that, we've reached the end of this episode, all about the top tips to prevent bankruptcy. Have you ever struggled with bankruptcy? What tips did you utilize to get out of it or avoid it? Get involved and let us know in the comments section down below. If you enjoyed this one and you found it helpful, remember to leave a like on the video and to subscribe to Living Fire for even more amazing videos just like this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.